Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I hope all of you are fine and studying at home and giving a proper time to your studies. Okay, last time you had a monthly test in your class, and I hope that most of the students will get good marks in that particular test. We will discuss the question MCQs questions over here so that everyone should know that what are the particular mistakes that the students have done in one paper. But before going towards that, let me share one important thing with you, which is basically related to the assignments. Okay, so since we have got some weightage for the assignments, so very short assignments I am going to give you, which will be included in your final term exams. And these assignments will be to write some questions answers which are from the text of the book. Okay, so these are very short assignments that you need to submit using Google Classroom. Every assignment will have 5 marks. There will be 4 that I am going to give you, although I have given you some other assignments as well before, but these were not for the marks for the final exams. Okay, these were basically the general assignments. So this is the assignment that I am going to upload right now. You will be able to see this is from the chapter number 8, where you have to define these tools: selection tool, and flash uh, document properties. What are the properties of the flash document? When you click on it, so you can see over here some properties are there of the document: the size, the background color, and the frame rate. Basically these are the properties. So we can write that define any three flash document properties. Just like there are three: size of the document that we take in the form of pixels, the breadth and height, and beige color, the background color that we apply, and the frame rate means with which speed the animation is going to play. So this is the assignment that I'm going to give you. You have to submit it. Differentiate between lasso tool and polygon lasso tool. There are two types of lasso tools. So this is also the question for which you have to write. These are the short questions that you have to write the answer, and you have to submit using Google Classroom only. You will not submit it using WhatsApp or any other thing. Fine. So in the same manner, some other assignments will be there that I will give, and I will give you enough time to submit them. So you will have to submit. You will be able to see this thing in your Google Classroom. Second thing is about a project. It is a flash based. I will also give you the practice for this today. Can create an animated banner to insert as top header in the website. Animated banner. Banner means just like we had seen that in websites there are some top headers which are animated. So what we can do, we can insert the text over there. We can use suitable pictures. Okay, but of course we are making for the school website, so we will take the images which are relevant to the school. Fine. Use twin motion or shape twin. So it's up to you that how much you are creative. So you will make the project, and it will be for 15 mark, and you can submit it in 1 week or two, quite easily, conveniently. And you will submit the movie file, because movie file is easy to play directly. Otherwise we have to download the file and then we play it in the uh, in flash software. So movie file could be played directly from the Google Classroom. Fine. So this is the project that I am going to assign it right now. You will be able to see. It's all depends on your creativity. You don't need to worry about what kind of pictures you are using, but of course related to school, something just like students, school building, school logo, and I am going to show you some examples over here by making one banner today, so that you will be able to see that how we can make a simple web banner using simple animations. Okay, fine. So you can mm, use your skills to apply these all things. Okay, those students who have not mentioned their classes, particularly students of class P1, B, and C, they should leave and rejoin by mentioning their classes at the end of their names, so that it will be convenient for me to mark for the attendance. Okay. Yes, some students want to ask some things. Yes, please.
Sir,
Yes.
is it compulsory that uh, we should send you the file like as a video? We can't send it like, and you can download it.
Yeah, well, it is not compulsory, but it's better because, and it is quite simple. Now, see, this is quite simple. Just like if it is an animation, let's suppose this is an animation where I am moving this object from frame 1 to frame 60. Fine, by creating to in motion. Now, this is a .lfla file. When you save it, by default, it is basically just like I save it on my desktop. Fine. It is a .fla file. What I am saying that file export movie. It is just take 1 minute. .swf or .avi, any option you can take, .avi or .swf. So when we will click on it, so it will save us a movie clip for us. And now if we even close the flash, now if I close the flash, I will be able to play it directly. Can you see this? It is now getting played in the uh, movie player, just like, this is a movie player, so it will be played in this. Right now I have installed actually the Windows right now, so some applications are not there in my PC. Otherwise Windows Media Player or something like will be there, so you'll be able to play it quite easily. Okay, so that's why I'm saying
Okay, thank you,
all
sir.
the students will keep the cameras closed. Okay, fine. Muhammad Rayan Khan. Yes, Rayan. Walaikum
Assalamu
salam.
alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Sir, I was raising my hand to ask you if you got a new computer.
Sorry, what is your question?
Sir, I have no question. I was just asking that did you buy a new computer? Because like the Windows and everything is new.
No, no. Actually, there was some problem in the Windows. That's why I have reinstalled it. So that's why. No,
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
no. Now this kind of questions are not important because we have to accomplish the work as well. Yes, Aris, quickly. I will take three questions. I will go to the banner, web banner designing. Okay, I will just go to the web banner design.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I had a question that the web banner project that you have assigned, that uh, is is that our banner gonna place in the original school website?
No, no. Original school, not original school. You can take any dummy example of any school. You can take any images, any sort of images, logo, student pictures, whatever you want to take. It's up to your.
And the second question was that will you see our lab activities that we had done for the senior
Lab
citizen?
activities were just for the practice. These were not for the marks in the final term exams. That's why at that time I did not say that you are bound to submit that activity. But if you will do, it's better that you should do. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Maida. Three more questions I will take afterwards.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Some yes, quickly.
Sir, will you show us our monthly test marks?
These will be inshallah uploaded in university. Okay. These will be uploaded. Inshallah, you'll be able to see. Yes, question MCQ's question paper I will discuss. Inshallah, subjective questions I will return through the Google Classroom. Fine. But MCQ's question paper I will discuss so
Okay.
that the people can see that what was the question which was wrong and what is the question which was right. You marked it correctly. Okay, I'll discuss about it.
Okay.
But inshallah, in the next class, I will discuss about the question paper. Okay, because right now I am going to just discuss about the web banner. Yes, Rimsha. Rimsha, your voice is not clear. I have opened your mic.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, please.
Sir, the project that you have uploaded that contained to be done in Flash?
with protrusions around it.
Sir, your mic is...
Did you know?
So you have to actually make it in Flash, and you know that we have gone through 3 chapters of Flash.
But
Fine.
sir, I've discussed the problem with you
My videos didn't.
about installing Flash, downloading Flash.
Installing and downloading Flash. I will give once again the link in today's lessons video what I can do. Right now I have installed because I had reinstalled my Windows. What I will do, I will give you the link from which I have installed it today, right now, 15 minutes before I have installed it. So what I can do for you over here, that I will give you the link right now. I am just
Okay.
giving a link over here. Okay, I am just giving a link over here. Here is the link of the Flash um, from where I have installed. Quite easily you can install, unzip it, okay, and you will be able to use it quite
Okay,
easily.
sir.
There will not be any issue with it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So I'm mentioning over here the Flash link. Flash download link is also attached. Okay, today it is 27th. Fine. Okay, so I will upload it with it, and video of today's lesson will also be uploaded with it, so that those who are facing problem, so there won't be any issue with them. Yes, Safi. Now everyone is raising the hand, but I
Assalamu
won't
alaikum,
be able
sir.
to
Sir,
reply
I'm
for
saying
everyone.
that
I have to accomplish this lesson.
I-
Yes.
I'm saying that you didn't assign any deadline for this project. Can you please tell the deadline?
Within, I think 1 week is better. 1 week
Okay.
or 10 days. Okay, I will mention you. Don't worry. You start working. I will mention the deadline. Uh, yes. Yes, Heba.
Yes, Assalamualaikum, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I want to ask that the assignment which you have assigned now, is it the second one assignment or the first one?
No, that was just a class assignment that I had given. It is the first one for which I have mentioned that these are the marks, 5 marks which will be included in the final exam. So at that time I had not said this thing that it will be included for final exam.
Now,
So
this is
now
the
this is
first
the
assignment.
yeah, I will give you 3 more, but these will be quite short assignments from the chapter. So I don't think so that you people are going, because you have already done a lot of things from these chapters.
And sir,
Okay.
can you show an example of the project?
Yeah, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to show you. Yes, Amina. Amina, I have unmuted you.
Sir, I wanted to ask a question. Sir, last time you have given assignment where you have to do an animation where a bird can travel from one tree to another. So
Yeah, yeah.
that assignment, does it includes an exam? It's like final
Yeah, it
exam.
was no, it was basically from the book, chapter of the book. These were actually the lab activities. I have given all the lab activities as well to you in your Google Classroom so that you can go through it. Fine.
So,
Uh, but these are
sir,
the written and short assignments. These are that I am giving you nowadays by
but they are
mentioning.
not included in exam, like the final term exam.
If no, that was just for the practice of making animations. And over here, the question, the short question, written question is there that I am giving to submit in written format. Okay. Okay. Those who have raised the hand, the rest, I will take the questions afterwards. But first, let me show you the example of the Flash banner. How to create a web banner. Now go to the Flash action script 3. Normally when we create a website, the stage size is not equal to this stage size. If you want to take this stage size, it's up to you. But normally the stage is horizontal in the Flash animations of a website. So what we can do, we can take it 900 uh, 900 pixel. I'm just recommending you. It's up to you. If you want to make on 550 by 400, this is also correct. You can make. But normally what happens in the web pages, 900 is the length and 400 is the width or height, you can say. So now if you see, it is looking horizontal shape. Can you see this? This is basically a horizontal shape of the, horizontal stage. We can enlarge it by pressing Control 2. Now, what do you want to display on it? What do you want to display on it? For example, if I say that I will display first school name, fine. So what I can do, I can take one text of the school name. Okay. So you will select this text and you can change the font size according to your requirement. You can change the font color. All tools. I'm not going to explain the tools here again and again. You know about all these tools, how to use these tools. Now this is the text that I have taken. Okay, we give one animation over here. We can give one animation in the text. If you want to apply some background color, so what we can do, we can take any good background color, whatever we want to take. It's up to us. It basically depends on our creativity. Now, Pakistani School Muscat, I have placed it outside on frame 1. On frame number 50 or frame number 60, I click over here, press F6, and I bring it from left side to right side. Okay, over here. So at frame 1, it is on left side. At frame 50, it is on right side. Fine. I right click on this and I give it a twin motion. So now you can see that when we will run it, it is containing basically a text only over here in this. One text is there which is moving from left to right. So what we have done, we have included a text. Now what we can take multiple layers over here, just like we can take an image of the building, for example. If you want to bring the building, so what we will do, we will click on frame number 1 and we'll import some building picture. If you don't have, you can go and you can find out, and not necessary that you are going to take your school building. It's up to you, whatever school name, or fine, I take one image of the building. Let's suppose this is the image that I'm interested to insert in my page. I'll right click on it, I just save it on my desktop. Now I can import it. Click on frame 1, go to file, import to stage. Frame 1 should be clicked at this time when we insert the image. You know very well about it. Of course, the image size will be large. So what we are going to do, we are going to adjust it accordingly. Okay, it is small. So what I need to do, I need to have an animation that building is coming from here, and after 20 frame I press F6, and then at frame 1 it is here, at frame 20 I'm going to place it over here, so it will remain here, it will remain over here. Okay, so now if I run it, so when Pakistan School Muscat is moving from left to right, the building is coming suddenly. So what I need to do, I need to create a motion to in between frame 1 to 20. So it will stay here, but PSM text is going from left to right. Okay, so what we can do, we can insert in this way multiple layers and multiple types of images relevant to the banner. For example, the logo of PSM, if we find out the logo, we can take the logo as well. Let's suppose take this example, we can take this image. So you can find out any good image. I take one more layer over here, take 1 or 2 or 3 layer, these are max when your work will become accomplished. Import to stage. Here is the logo I have inserted over here. So I want to bring the logo from, let's suppose, from right to left. So I will click over here. At this time it is on left. I will click on frame number 20, press F6, and I bring it on the right side. Fine. And it will stay here. Afterwards, I have created animation up to frame number 20, and after frame number 20, it will be static. So now what happens? It is coming from here.
Sir, can you explain me about the project? If you do in the project?
Right now, I'm explaining that how we are going to make this project, which is web banner of a school. Right now, I'm explaining the same thing, that how we can create a simple web banner for a school, just like now this is done. Why? Now it's up to you that how much you are creative. If you want to include more things, you can. But what I have written over here in the project statement, what I have written, now you can see, insert related text. I have inserted PSM. Use suitable pictures. I have used. Draw objects and shapes. If you want to draw, you can use twin motion or shape twin. I have used twin motion. If you want to bring some shape, let's suppose if you want to bring some image or a shape, what kind of shape we can draw? I take one over here, it is logo. To note it down, it is necessary that we should know. Let's suppose I print some stars. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to draw the polystar. Keep in mind, I am on this layer star, and over here I am doing on frame 1 polystar, and we will see the properties. I am going to change it to the polygon. We can take any color. Or design we want to take. Okay, it was not showing me that option actually. I have to draw the star. So what I'm going to do, I will click over here on the polygon. I will take this option, polystar, with 5 corners, without any outline. Outline is not there. Okay, now I can click it. I can give it some good color, any color I want to give, and I can make you know, It's copies by pressing Alt button and dragging. Fine. This is a simple shape that I want to use just for the, you know, beauty of this banner. It is on frame number 1 right now. Right now it is on frame number 1. What I will do, I will bring it to frame number 20. I will press F6. I will bring it from this position to this position. Okay. Then I will click on frame number, let's suppose 40. Then I will press F6. I will again bring it from this position to this position. Then again I will press F6 over here, and I will bring it from this position to this position. So it will basically move from left to right, right to left. In this, when I create over here the twin motion. So basically it all depends upon your creativity. Now you can see that the stars are just moving from left to right, but PSM text is moving from once only from left to right. So in this way we can create a simple banner. You can take rectangle, square, you can take oval shape, you can draw the, you can take pictures, you can take text, left to right, right to left, background color, even you can draw some rectangle at the background and you can change. So it basically depends on your, only new thing in this lesson was that I changed the stage size today, which is 900 by 400, but it is recommended. But if you don't take 900 and 400 and you make on 550 by 400, that is also fine. No problem, no issue is there with that. Yes, Iman. Yes, Iman,
And
quickly.
go in the exam section, it says that I have to upgrade it in order to see my marks.
I did not understand your question actually. Loudly. You say loudly.
When I open the university app and go in the exam section to like see my marks, it says that I have to upgrade to Pro to be able to see them.
But I think rest of the students, they are able to see. You have installed university app. You are seeing in app.
Yes, both in app and in the browser version.
Yeah.
But
So if it is asking to upgrade, if something is there, so you upgrade it and then see, check, because the rest of the students are able to see all these things. Okay.
okay.
Yes, Nabiha. I have unmuted you. Yes, Umar Jasim.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Nabiha.
I want to ask you that can you tell me my marks?
Marks will be
Assessment marks.
uploaded in university. You will be able to see from there. And subjective marks I will return from the Google Classroom. I have explained this thing. And for objective, I will discuss the question paper so that you people can know the right answers. This is the way. Yes, Umar.
No, sir, I want to ask that I want to say that some students having problem to download EduFlash. So I have made a video on my channel. So
I
you
have,
are
I
can
have,
you screen so
Umar, I have already shared the video when we started in the beginning of the chapter 8. I had shared the video. And this problem was resolved over there. So what I will do, I will assign this thing now to Aris. Aris, you will make one video for downloading and installing Flash CS3, and you will share us a link. Fine. So I
sir,
have
I have
given,
already made it.
yeah, because when other students are doing, if you faced some problem, so he will make one video and day after tomorrow or tomorrow he will share with us. Fine. Yes, Heather, I have to take attendance, so will you kindly just lower the hand?
Sir,
Yes, Heather.
sir, sir, last time I asked you about my roll number, so did you find out what is my roll number?
Actually, there are registration numbers. I will check in the because I did not get the updated list. So I will check it and I will give you the registration number. Okay. Because normally registration number is written on your form. No one will raise the hand. Just lower the hand right now. Lower the hands. Let me mark the attendance because class time is now about to over. Okay, we have got from Aris to reach P1A, then Ibrahim bin Ikram, then Muhammad Hamza Khan, then Rimsha, Aisha Wasim, and okay. So we have, I think, 2-3 minutes left in this. Yes, Aliza.
Sir,
Yes, please.
is it important to take only Pakistani school or
No, it's up to you. I think it does not need any clarification. It's up to you. You can take any school, any building, any picture, any dummy school name. Fine.
okay?
Not
Thank you.
compulsory that you all are going. No, it's up to you. It is just to see your creativity. Yes, Safi. Isa Abu Huraira. Yes, Isa. I have unmuted you. Isa, your voice is not clear. Yes, Ariz.
Yes, sir. I wanted to say that I am having the same problem about upgrading to Pro, and when I click
You're talking
for
about
upgrading,
university.
yes,
Okay.
when I click the upgrade button, it is bringing to my user profile. Then I cannot see the upgrade button after then.
Now it's working or not in this version?
No,
It's not working properly. You are able to see
no,
your marks or not.
no.
Okay. Fine, we'll discuss about it. We'll find out some way. Yes, Saad. I have just 1 minute now left.
The last time you sent the link, the Microsoft one, it didn't let me download it. It said that it could be a virus that or.
About Flash? You're talking about Flash?
Yes, sir. I haven't still downloaded it.
But it means that your antivirus is not allowing it to be downloaded. So you will have to close the antivirus for some time and then you can download and install it. Yes, last question, Arij.
Yes, sir. Sir, what you told we need to just do this. Is there any due date for
I
this?
will mention, you start working, I will mention the due date.
Okay.
Okay, most probably it will be for project, it will be for up to 10 days. Okay, don't worry. Okay, thank you so much, all of you.